సెవెంత్ క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఫిఫ్త్ లెసన్ ఏ ట్రిప్ టు అండమాన్. గ్లోసరీ. లాంగింగ్, స్ట్రాంగ్ ఫీలింగ్ ఆర్ డిసైర్. వ్యానిష్, disappear. Treating, curing an illness or injury. Inhabited, lived. Aboriginal, original people belonging to a place. Creek, a narrow area of water where the sea flows into the land. Coral reefs, a hard substance that is red, pink, or white in color and that forms on the bottom of the sea. Ferry, a boat or a ship that carries people, goods, vehicles across a river. Vocabulary. Antonyms: impossible, possible, suddenly, slowly, ugly, beautiful, bright, dim, tasteless, tasty, dim, clever, above, below, hostile, favorable. Cloudy, cloudless, notorious, courteous. My sister Amala and I too waved our hands while mom and dad smiled at us. Silky sands, foaming waves, and cool breeze of the sea attracted us very much. In sentence 1, wave is used as a verb. In sentence 1, wave is used as a verb. It means to move hand or arm from side to side. In sentence 2, wave is used as a noun. It means raised lines of water that move across the surface of a sea and an ocean. Fill in the blanks both as nouns and verbs. The volleyball team of our school played 4 matches. The fourth day's dash was excellent. Play. Lata faced a lot of problems. I am sorry to see tears on her lovely face. My granddaughter said, Grandpa, you look very sweet when I see a smile on your face. On hearing this, Grandpa smiled at once. Suresh hoped that he would pass the examination, but his hope disappeared when he saw the question paper. When I answered a question correctly, the English teacher patted me on my back and said, Well done, smarty. Her pat made me feel very happy and proud. Phrasal verbs. The ship set out after sounding a loud horn. Set out means to begin a journey. People who came to see off their friends and relatives cheered them up by waving their hands. Set on, attack, set it, start, set apart, separate, set about, start, set against, consider as a balancing. Simple past tense. Soon after the examinations were over, Mom made preparations for the trip. The underlined words are verbs in the simple past tense and refer to actions that took place in the past. The simple past tense is used here to talk of completed actions in the past. Past continuous tense. Some foreign tourists on the beaches were basking in the sun and enjoying themselves. The underlined verbs were basking, enjoying are in the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to talk about or describe an action which someone was doing or an event which was happening at a particular time in the past. The structure of past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus V4 plus object. Fill in the blanks. They were fighting with each other when the police arrived. When Rajesh was running, he fell down and injured his leg. While he was playing, it began to rain. The children were watching a film when the lights went off. My mother was still cooking when the guests arrived. The teacher was teaching when the principal entered the room. Father was watching the TV when the telephone bell rang. We were getting ready for our journey when the power went off. ఏవైనా రెండు యాక్షన్స్ జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్ని సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్లో రాయాలి. పాస్ట్లో జరుగుతూ ఉన్న పనిని పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్లో రాయాలి.